asa mo pagtubigan din.
Ano may tubig na rin? Hindi tatay.
Kalibutan kami kitan, ang sarap namin ng airpan. Mayroon kami tanan, nasakop sa linyagan. Espiritu na Diyos ang daray. Espiritu na Diyos ang masinang masigan kayo. Pag-ampo mo kami mo daw ng Espiritu Santo agad. Mahal nga kasing-kasing ni Jesus. Hindi nga kasing-kasing ni Virgin Maria. Señor San Jose, Señor San Roque. Tanan mga anghel ng halis sa kalangitan, pag-ampo mo kami ganun kami. Santísima Trinidad, Nosotros Santos, na panalangin, sa ngalan sa Amahan, sa Anak, sa Espiritu Santo.
Alright, hey guys, so I wasn't able to come here yesterday, and in that one day, they got a lot done. This wall they did the first day. And now that wall. And another thing, if you notice the windows look really nice. And then there used to be cement there, hollow blocks there, and they knocked that down to eventually make a door. So Juleto is here. He's working hard. He knows how to do this kind of stuff, so it's a lot faster when he's home as well. So I'm right behind Juleto's house and Christine's house, and they got corn growing here. Alright, so we just went grocery shopping and got some rice and got a toy for Juleto. Juleto for Julie. Is her name Julie?
This is for Juleto.
And the rice was $9.40. And then the groceries was $1,124. Alright guys, so the workers left not too long ago, but Juleto, since he knows what he's doing, he's been working since the workers have taken off. So we finished the inside in here. So it's really coming along. The inside is pretty much done. So Christine is taking care of Julie right now. She's taking a nap. But Juleto, so you guys can kind of get a full picture, they actually do have a newborn as well. And what's his name?
Chrisley Jan.
Chrisley Jan, okay. And he's taking a nap right now. So right now it's just Juleto. But we kind of talked to Christine the other day. And today, if you remember the other videos, if you've been around the channel for a while, we met him through Letitia. And then he's a really good builder. He built Letitia, his mother, a really cool stilt house. And he really did a good job with that. So he knows what he's doing here, so that's really good. And you've been working hard. This is my first time seeing it. When I left, you know, when I went back home to see my family, he didn't even really start this yet, I don't think. We were just in the process of buying the materials, and it was like, you know, the wood part and the tin
Sand.
and some sand, yeah. So he's been really busy doing this on his own. And, you know, he works in the city all the time, so he comes home in the spare time to work on this. So we tried our best to surprise him and get Pring and Junior to help him out. So in the future, Juleto is planning on putting like a kitchen here or an extra room.
Yeah, and maybe also maybe Leticia can stay with him or with them.
Ah, that's a good idea.
Yeah.
Okay.
Put extra room.
Yeah. Because if you guys don't know the situation with Leticia, it's kind of a long story, but like he did build a stilt house there, and then it got blown over, and then the electric company was coming through. They were building a big tower in there, and she was supposed to get some money for moving, and that never happened. So, and I'm not sure if that project is really even still going. Like they kind of stopped that. So she's kind of in limbo right now, but she's still staying there. So that's the good idea if she ever does move here. But we did bring them some extra gifts. That's for your daughter, and then 2 bags of rice, and then we got him some canned goods, some noodles, milk, shampoo, and stuff like that. So I really like Juleto though, because he works very hard. You know, when he gets the supplies, when the materials, he doesn't wait. He you know, he built this up with the stuff that he had and the time that he has. You know, he works all the time, and so he's been working really hard, and I like that. I love helping out people like that, and you deserve everything that you're getting. So yeah, so probably tomorrow the guys are coming back, and Juleto's only here for like 1 more day, then he has to go back to work. Then Junior and Seapring can take over and finish the outside.
Hi, I have something for you.
Yeah, she just woke up. I'll have Richie give it to her.
Wow. Thank you. Ganan ka? Ganan ka ni? Ah, kanay. Nang lupad. Gibutang.
Yeah, dagan mo yung anak mo na. Gunit na, gunit.
But I guess we'll just let them be, and then we're gonna get going back, and then tomorrow we'll come back and check out the progress. But it's always good to see you, bro. And congratulations in the house, man. I'm really glad it's coming along. All right, hey guys, good morning. So we're back at Juleto and Christine's house, and I just talked to Seapring, and they said they're gonna finish today. So here's a look on the outside. All right, hey guys, so we almost just went swimming. I just want to show you the fun roads we get to take to go to Juleto's. So we're gonna have the camera rolling just in case we fall to make the video more interesting.
I almost ripped your skin from holding it tight.
I have to check for bruises.
Good thing I don't have a sharp nail.
But you do have a strong grip. They are safe puppies. We saw the mama on their way there, and I think there's like 5 puppies. They're all breastfeeding. There's a cool little, what is that, like a
Gruto.
oh, Gruto.
Here's an S.
Alright, so right now we're getting the floor mat. And then upstairs we got the bed sheet and the bed. And here's the total for the floor mat. 1,161. Alright, so we made it. What a ride. So this might look light, but how was it carrying it the whole way from Toledo to here?
It was hard.
Especially the wind. I try to go as slow as possible.
Yeah.
But every time like a semi went by, you can definitely the wind.
Yeah,
you
I
could
need
feel
to hold
that.
it.
Yeah.
All my energy.
All right, so Seapring and Junior are finished with the finishing inside and out, and then the windows. I'll take a little walk around. Halfway done. Now just that side.
There's delivery.
Delivery, all right.
Ako sir, ano nga?
So delivery just came for the materials. That's
Yes.
really good news. All right, we're halfway there. We just moved the bed. And a little bit to go. So if anybody wants to hire carpenters, we have two very good workers here. Nice job, ladies. So we're almost done. Got this little bit to go. All right, guys, so good evening. It's getting a little dark. Hopefully you guys can see. But Seapring and Junior did a great job on the finishing. And then now we order the materials for their expansion here. Juleto is working in the city right now, but they were able to text back and forth for the materials that we needed. So what's the plan for out here?
So ano yung plano nimo katong sa gi-order na tong materials dan? One day extension. Extension for kwarto, needed to. Kusina. So there will be extension here for the room and kitchen.
Okay, and this is like 10 foot? It's about 10 foot, and then back there. So pretty much double the size. So that's awesome.
And then here will be the terrace. Yes.
Nice. So if you can picture that in your minds, I'll try to step back. We ordered the materials. They actually came in there by the road. So here's the empty spot right now. That soon will be the expansion. And then the terrace will be there.
And then we still have more for Christine.
Yes.
Christine and family.
We'll take a walk inside.
Yeah.
Very two good carpenters right here. The floor looks really nice. Yeah, it looks so much better with the floor done like that. You can see now the kids are playing on the ground and they won't get dirty like before. So that looks really, really cool. So there's the bed and the sheets we just got. And then this will be the door. And then once we get the materials and Juleto starts going, this will go into the kitchen in the other room area. So that adds a lot.
Yeah.
I think they're gonna have a comfy sleep tonight. So this is from the box. So thank you for sending that box from Australia. And Christine has many family members around here, sisters, and then they all have kids.
Yeah.
So we kind of give them some extra stuff so they can pass around. And you guys get first dibs. So take what you want, and then if you want to share some, that's totally up to you guys. But there's lots of hats. Everyone likes hats. And then lots of clothes. So you guys can go through that later. You guys don't have to go through it now. But also lots of books. Oh, cool. So it's like a kit. You can make things.
Maginani.
Oh, that's fun.
Okay, Christine. So here is not cold for your feet. Oh, you can go to the window now. Saging. Banana. Kaya saan ni? Saan na? Cat. Egg. Kini? Eagle. Nya. Kini? Gamit man ni papa ni mo. Gamit ni papa ni mo. Martilyo ba? Martilyo. Hammer. Kini, yung sama ni, kana. Very good. Guitar. Kamo guitar? She knows how to play guitar.
All right. You can give us a concert sometime.
Perfect. Thank you for cooperating. You're welcome. Bye, Julie.
Bye, guys. See you later. Have a good Christmas. No problem. Merry Christmas.
Ana?
What's that?
Banana.
Banana. Wow.
Thank you.
So Christine gave us bananas. Thank you very much. The bananas here are the best. So I have a banana every single morning. So here's the material for Christine and Juleto. All of it's not in yet, but there's a good amount. It's the hollow blocks.